In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Passport ID using Microsoft Word. While a Passport ID is an official government document that cannot be created for legal travel purposes, you can design a mock or sample ID for practice, educational projects, or creative uses like event passes or organizational badges. Using Microsoft Word, you can create a professional-looking layout with text, images, and formatting tools. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Begin by setting up your page for the ID layout. Go to the Layout tab and choose a small paper size that resembles an ID card, such as 3.5 by 2 inches, or customize the size under Page Setup. You can also set the margins to narrow so you have more space for design elements. Next, insert a shape or table to define the ID card's boundaries. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and select a rectangle. Draw the rectangle on your page to represent the card. You can format the shape with a border color and fill color to make it look professional. Adding a shadow or rounded corners can also enhance the appearance. After setting up the card layout, start adding the details that usually appear on an ID. Use text boxes from the Insert tab to place the name, date of birth, ID number, and any other relevant fields. You can adjust the font style, size, and alignment to make it look authentic. Make sure to leave space for a photo on the card. To add a photo, click on Insert, then Pictures, and select the image you want to place on the ID. Resize it to fit the designated photo area. You can also use the Picture Tools tab to adjust brightness, contrast, or apply a border for a clean look. For additional security or design elements, consider adding a watermark, logo, or colored background using the Design or Insert tab. This makes your mock ID appear more realistic and visually appealing. Finally, review your layout and make any adjustments to spacing, alignment, and colors. Once satisfied, you can save your ID as a Word document or export it as a PDF for easy printing. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a sample passport-style ID using Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.